The morning report for the 28th of July 2009. The US markets were rather subdued overnight with a slight upward movement. The Dow Jones up 0.2, the S&P 500 up 0.3 and the Nasdaq up 0.1. Now US stocks did rise early in the piece as home sales hit an 8-year high and overshadowed disappointing results coming through from Radio Shack. Now, the retail sales in the US are starting to drop off, and obviously we're getting into the reporting season over there, and we're certainly starting to see some drop off in earnings and certainly forecast earnings. Now, what will happen back here in Australia? At present, you're hearing lots of mixed messages. It's time to buy, stay out of banks. There's coal seam gas is a hot play right now, and there's a lot of big companies like Worley Parsons which are also looking rather cheap right now, but certainly they don't have the work flowing through. What do you need to do? Look for yourself. You need to find someone who can look after you and obviously understand what sort of investor you are. Not every opportunity in the marketplace will suit yourself, and you need to make sure that you are in those investments which best suit you. The banks, for example, for my portfolio, I think are a good buy right now. Yes, there will be some more poor results coming through. There will be some more downgrades, and certainly I'll expect to see the bankings have some more write-offs in regards to retail housing. But all in all, as long as they can continue to pay the dividend they're paying right now, I think it's a good hold and a good long-term asset. You need to take a good look at what sort of investor you are and make sure you're buying the investments that best suit you. There are a lot of good speculative plays out there which will do quite well. Some will fall over, but there's a lot of good blue chip companies in the top 20 which will pay you a nice dividend which you can sit on for quite some time until the market recovers. So keep that in mind before you jump in and buy any stocks. Have a long, hard think about it. We are still in a bit of a tough time, and certainly we'll still see the recession creep through over the coming 12-18 months. Now, our market had a good day yesterday, up 1.2%. We're closing around 4,140 points right now. This would probably indicate to me we may see the market move a little bit higher, possibly up as high as 4,300, which is the last high of this rally that we saw previously about 2 months ago. Now, that would be good news for the marketplace, but don't be complacent. It doesn't mean that all is well, and certainly as we move through August and companies do come out with their reports and earnings forecasts, this may or may not hold at these levels. But for now, I think there's good opportunities, and our market is looking quite strong. The gold price was very flat overnight, closed at $953 an ounce. Oil was up 2.1% to close at $68 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar creeped above 82 US cents. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.